English Grammar Test, Basic English. Each question takes 10 seconds. Comment below with the answers for the last 4 questions. Let's get started. Good luck! I would water, please. A liked, B like, C likes, D lie. B like. Where you from? A is, B to, C are, D on. C are. What is name? A you, B it, C your, D in. C your. Where you live? A do, B on, C so, D go. A do. That your car? A it, B if, C in, D is. D is. Can you help please? A you, B me, C my, D your. B me. Would you like watch a movie tonight? A to, B do, C go, D so. A to. She black hair. A was, B has, C have, D went. B has. I am to the park. A went, B walk, C going, D go. C going. Can you me that? A gave, B took, C take, D give. C give. He is than me. A taller, B more tall, C tallest, D tall. A taller. How is that? A little, B much, C some, D more. B much. My head A has, B helps, C hurts, D had. C hurts. Can you repeat please? A this, B thanks, C the, D that. D that. Please speak A slow, B slower, C more slow, D more slower. B slower. Can I have some rice? I am A hot, B hurry, C happy, D hungry. D hungry. Write the answers for the next 4 questions in the comment section below. Good luck! You are my A fridge, B friend, C find, D fried. My teacher said I am A kind, B kick, C class, D cat. Jenny is A sick, B sock, C sack, D stink. I love to English with Melody and Stefan. A learning, B learnt, C learn, D learn. Well done!